Fire is an essential element if it is under control. So if it is not under control, it causes destruction, devastation to the life and our properties as well.
As all of you know, the most dangerous part of patients who suffers from burn injury is smoke inhalations, because that causes airway problems.
So when there is an inhalational injuries, that happens because of inhalation of carbon monoxide, which is a predominant gas in the smoke, and other toxic agents. This causes decreased oxygen supply to the brain and also to parts of the body.
See, when there is a fire in our apartment or building or any other working places, so one thing you need to remember is RACE, R-A-C. R stands for rescue. Then second step is you have to activate the fire alarms. Then third one, C stands for confine or mitigate the fire or smoke by closing doors and windows, switch off the fans and ACs. E, evacuate or extinguish.
People who are working in the industrial side, who have a setup there, they may see these kind of inhalational injuries more than rather than who are working in the remote place where they don't have this industrial accidents.
Remember to have a safe working places, and you should have a functional fire extinguishers, and fire safety plan is very much required for preventing these fire accidents.
There is a mnemonic to use fire extinguisher like pass, pull the pin, then aim at the base, squeeze and sweep from side to side. This is how you can operate extinguishers.
So the signs and symptoms of smoke inhalations includes singed nose hair, and sometimes there will be burn around the face, that includes your mouth, and mucosal part will be involved.
So the inhalational injury or the smoke injury, the severity again varies people from minutes to hours, and the depth of the burns which they are inhaled.
When there is a decreased blood supply to the brain or a part of the brain, it causes stroke.
Many of the times when there is a burn injury, the victims will be very much panicking, and in the instances there is a chance they can fall from the heights.
So when these patients, they may be coming to the hospitals in a group of people or isolated one or two people.
Things which we don't do during a fire. So one thing, if there is a fire, don't waste your time in collecting valuable things like our wallet, money, gold, all those things. Don't waste your time. Then don't use lifts or elevators. Use staircase so to evacuate yourself from a building.
And also a fire safety training is very, very important. What you should do when there is a fire is the training that everybody needs. So always it is better to have a prevention than to have a cure.